Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this lab, we're taking things to the next level by creating our custom detection rule in Microsoft Sentinel using Microsoft Defender Portal. Now, if you click on Analytics inside Sentinel, it directs you to the Defender Portal, which is the new unified experience. So from here, I go into Sentinel, Analytics, and this is where we'll be creating our rule. So I'll name this rule Privilege Role Activity Detection, and I'm going to put a description here. Now for severity, I'll set this to high because privilege role change or high impact action that could lead to privilege escalation. Let's set this to high. Now for techniques, I'm going to select privilege escalation and account manipulation and additional cloud roles. I'm choosing this because this rule is focused on detecting when a user is added to a privileged cloud role, which is exactly the kind of activity an attacker might use after initial access. Next, I move into the query that I'll be using. I'll leave that on the screen for you guys to see in a little bit here. So this is the query that I'll be using. So what this will do is this query will look at audit logs and filter for role assignment activity. Then it extract the target user and role name so we can clearly see who was added and which role they were assigned to. This is important because often attackers try to escalate privilege after gaining initial access, and privilege role change are one of the most high-risk actions that you could take in a cloud environment. So after adding this query, I'm going to set it to run every 5 minutes. For alert threshold, I keep it simple and generate an alert when the query returns more than 0 results. Also, if grouping shows up, I also group by fields or target user or role name to make investigation cleaner. So I'll set this again to 5 minutes. And you can leave the defaults here. Once everything is configured, I'm going to review the settings and create the role. Now, instead of manually searching for log, Microsoft Sentinel will continuously monitor for this activity and alert us when something suspicious happens. Obviously, this is a key skill in cybersecurity, turning raw log data into real detection to help you defend an environment. Let's go next. We're reviewing our rule. And as you can see here, we're reviewing to make sure that everything's good. And we're going to create our rule. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you create a rule in Microsoft Sentinel and Defender Portal. So if you guys find this video helpful, or you want to see more Azure Security Labs like this, check out the playlist at the end of the screen. And that's it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.